In a small, forgotten town, a man named Jonathan found himself trapped in a nightmare after a mysterious figure sewed his mouth shut, leaving him voiceless and haunted by the secrets he could no longer share. With no voice to cry out for help, Jonathan resorted to writing down his fears, desperate to convey the sinister presence stalking him through the woods surrounding his home. As he glanced over his shoulder, the chilling realization struck him that whatever had silenced him was now closing in, forcing Jonathan into a frantic race against time. Heart pounding in his chest, Jonathan pressed himself against the rough bark, praying that the darkness would provide him cover from the horror that sought to claim him. Desperation clawed at him as Jonathan spotted a flicker of light in the distance, hoping that the dilapidated cabin might hold salvation from the relentless darkness pursuing him. Panting heavily, Jonathan barricaded the door. But as he took a moment to catch his breath, he could feel the weight of unseen eyes watching from the corners of the room.